Welcome back to my channel, racers. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Blast Arrow Clear Blue Special. Now this was one of the color variations Tamiya made of the classic Blast Arrow. This one happens to be in clear blue, and as you can see it includes light blue tires and blue wheels. Now this kit was made in Japan, item 95217 in 2015. As you can see, Tamiya has updated the sticker here to reflect that. Let's check out what's inside the box. So as you can see, the chassis itself was molded in white ABS. We have blue tires and blue wheels. And we have the clear blue body. Now this is a very, very light clear blue, so it pairs well with the white chassis underneath. Next we have the motor and transmission gear components. The white A parts. Tamiya kept the same sticker sheet for all its variants, I believe. So there you have it, that's the Blast Arrow Clear Blue Special.